Good morning, class. This is Teacher Honey. Today, we are going to discuss the types of business. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to classify the different types of business. Are you ready? All right, let's go. The term business refers to the organized efforts and activities of individuals to produce and sell goods and services for profit. There are three types of business that we are going to discuss today. First is manufacturing. Second is services. And the last one is all about retailing. Let us first define manufacturing. Manufacturing is the process where the raw materials undergo some processing until they are converted into finished products. Different products or goods are produced on a large scale by large manufacturing companies and on a small scale by cottage industries. Here are some examples of products produced by small and large manufacturing companies. For large manufacturing companies, we have cars, cranes, container vans, and other heavy equipment. For small manufacturing companies, we have costume designs and weaving products just like yakan and baskets. Now, let's have services. Services is a type of business where a person or organization makes use of a skill or expertise in a specific field or area. These services are provided with the help of machines or tools and other equipment. For example, a car wash boy needs water, soap, soft cloth, and a hose to clean a car. Here are some types of services offered by persons, agencies, and companies to the community. We have doctors and nurses for healthcare. We have lawyers for professional services, drivers for transportation, cook or chef for food services, teachers for education, and hairstylist for beauty care. And last but not the least, retailing. Retailing refers to all forms of selling goods directly to the consumers. The seller sells goods or merchandise to earn profit and give service to the buyer, while the buyer buys the good or merchandise to meet or satisfy his or her needs or desire. Here are some examples of retailing outlets. We have sari-sari stores, specialty stores like shoe stores, groceries, supermarkets, and online selling via the internet and television. And now, we're done discussing the three types of business: manufacturing, services, and retailing. I hope you enjoy learning today, class. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.